Welcome everybody to Captain America Crypto. Big question out there, is Bitcoin dead? We're going to bring you the truth. Read that disclaimer. We're going to get through the intro and we're going to bring Bitcoin back to life. Let's go. Big question out there, is Bitcoin dead? They're burning it up on Google, what I hear. Bitcoin dead. No, Bitcoin ain't dead. Bitcoin never gonna die. Bitcoin ain't going nowhere. Bitcoin just doing what Bitcoin does. It's going through the cycle. It's going through its bear cycle. It does it every cycle. It did it here 2017, it did it here in 21, and guess what it's going to do? It's doing right now. It's doing it here in 26 from 25 all-time highs. But no, Bitcoin is not dead. Bitcoin is not dying. It's not going to go to zero. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It's the king of the crypto market. Bitcoin is not dead. Bitcoin is very much alive. Bitcoin is currently sitting at $68,118. And you asked, is Bitcoin dead? Everybody asks this question. It's up 0.24% today. Everybody, I don't know if it's a hot topic on Google search. And every cycle after a bull run, it's asked, is Bitcoin over? Is Bitcoin going to zero? Everybody, Michael Saylor's going to fold or whatever. He's this one thing after another. But look at here, overall, from 2017 to where we're at now, what do you see? Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin comes down, making higher lows each and every time, making higher highs and higher lows each and every cycle. So I got trend line here. This is over from 2017 or way back here 2016. I went from 2016 on up where we at, right on the 2030. I got two trend lines here. I got the very bottom. Bitcoin went up in 2017. It came back down, hit this trend line, bounced a little bit, came back down, hit it, run up, made all-time highs. Guess what? Bitcoin dropped down in the bear market, went through the bear cycle, hit the bottom here. The bottom of this trend line went right back up, went all the way up to 126,000, topped out, and it's downward. It's coming down. Basically kind of moves the same each time. And everybody says, oh, is the bottom in? This is the bottom. No, the bottom for Bitcoin is not in. Bitcoin has got a lot more further to go, to believe it or not. Some will tell you Bitcoin ain't going to go that low. Some people will tell you the worst is over with. For the majority, yes, it is. If you figure where we was at, all-time highs to where we at right now, Bitcoin dropped from 126,000, dropped all the way down to 60,000. That's a long ways. That's 50%. But guess what? From the price it's at right now, it's probably got 50% more to go before it bursts up and goes back into the next cycle. Meaning will tell me I'm lying. It's not going to do that. But look what it's done each and every cycle. It went up. It started out here. It went up. It come back and touched this. Now I do want to note that between this trend line and this bottom trend line, Bitcoin could come down, hit this trend line, work its way down, and hit this trend line somewhere around 45 to 48,000. It could bounce right off of there and go right back up and start going right back into a bull market, full bull cycle. So I don't necessarily believe that this is one case scenario. It's going to come down and it could hit this top trend line right here around, like I said, around 46, 45, 46, somewhere, and follow this trend line, ride this trend line and start going back up. That's one scenario. The second scenario is this right here. What I believe could happen. This is my take on Bitcoin. Bitcoin gonna come down. It's gonna work its way down, up and down. It's gonna hit this and bounce, and it's gonna keep going. It's gonna sweep the bottom right here, and it's gonna start climbing back up, right on up. Now, maybe a little closer, maybe doing something like this. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I'm just giving you a rough figure, and go back up like that. Overall, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna come down, hit the bottom of this trend line, just like it did here. I mean, it's not gonna move like I got this trend, this mark. I'm just giving you a rough picture of what it's. You're gonna have up and downs. Uh, Consolidating, coming down, but then it's gonna hit the bottom. It could stay right above the top of this trend line right here, somewhere right here around 34, 35,000, and go right back up. Now, this is my scenario, and I'm being honest with you. I do believe this is what Bitcoin's going to do. It's going to seem like it's the worstest bear market we've ever had, but it's going to be the same pullback. And you ask, what can we be at in the next bull run cycle? I mean, you could be, I think around, let's see, I'm trying to figure that trend. Where are we at? No, we got to go back now. Well, when we could go 180,000, 200,000 from where we bought them at. Let's see, we could go probably 200,000, 210,000, somewhere around there to the next cycle high on Bitcoin. I mean, just being honest with you, I mean, but it's going to follow this trend line each and every time. It's done it. From here to here, if I draw the line, that's where we hit right there. On the bottom side, going to be the same thing. This is the algorithm, the way Bitcoin moves. This chart may vary a little bit from cycle to cycle, like this cycle. In the next cycle, up will be bigger than this cycle, what we got right here. You wait and see. Look at this cycle compared to this cycle. A lot bigger, a lot more gains than what we had right here. But because you're getting, it's just opening wider up. The range is opening up wider. But Bitcoin isn't dead, y'all. Bitcoin is not dead, and I wanted to bring that to you. Bitcoin is not dead. It's very much alive. It's not going to zero. People may tell you it's going to zero, but it's not. I'm here to give you the straight up truth. It's not going to zero. And on the way down, we're going to have relief rallies. It's going to hit like support levels like this right here. You got this support level right here. I'm looking for us. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to get back. I hit my line right there. I better lock that. Yeah. That's locked too. Okay. We could take her time getting down here, hit this support level, get a little relief rally, and then finish it out coming on over here before moving back up in another bull cycle. But this is where we at on Bitcoin. I'm being straight up. I'm being honest with you, bringing it to you with truth. This is the cycle of Bitcoin right here. Overall, top trend, bottom trend. This is what it's doing, and this is what it's going to continue to do. You had a little shoulder right here where this was bigger this time right here. It ramped up, come back down, just like it ramped up, come back down, and it went up, pulled back a little bit, went right on up, made all-time new highs. Look, went up, pulled back, went up, made all-time new highs. Well, you could say it was like, this is a little different movement from back over here, and it come back, and then it pulled back here, and then went touched that, retraced and touched that trend line, made a higher high, just like it did over here. Just like it did over here. I figured on the first initial drop, I called it right, 69,600, well, 69,065. The only thing I was wrong on, the bottom side, it went to 60,000, not 65,000. It dropped lower than what I thought it was going to go. Well, that's telling you Bitcoin's going lower. That's just telling you the truth. It's going lower. But it could touch the top of this trend line and reverse and go up, but I don't think it is. The probability is stopping at that top trend line there at 45,000 is about 25%. 75% is coming down to this trend line right here, like I draw. And I just want to bring you the truth. It's going to come. It's going to come. It's going to sweep that bottom, and it's going right back up. It's going back up. Just like that, y'all. Straight up. Straight truth. Watch what I'm telling you. So, people's like, well, if it's going to pull back 50 more percent, what's it going to do to the alts? Well, I'm looking for Bitcoin dominance to drop. Bitcoin dominance is starting to drop. So, as Bitcoin dominance drops, it has lesser effect on the crypto altcoins. So, we could see, where's Bitcoin dominance? It's trying to drop now. Is what I'm seeing. If I can find it over here amongst all these other, right there. Well, you can see right now Bitcoin dominance is at 58.96. So, we see how we topped out. Well, we topped out up here at 65.98. Well, we're coming down. We're stepping down. Bitcoin dominance is stepping down. And we could pull way back and then Bitcoin do final drop, that final 50% drop down to that bottom trend line on Bitcoin. And it won't affect these alts as much because Bitcoin dominance is coming down. So, they're going to pull back more. Don't get me wrong, they're going to pull back more. But I don't want you to start on the count of me telling you it's going to pull back 50 more percent and wait to get in on the market. I mean, there's some of these alts that you can start getting in on now that in the next bull run cycle is going to do awesome. I'll give you a 10, 15, 20x return, you know what I'm saying, from where it's at right now. So to be on the safe side, I start investing in crypto right now. This is where you make your money. In these bear markets, you don't invest right now, you ain't making no money in the long run. So we're just trying to come here and help you, not give you financial advice. Just tell you what we're doing, and just we're giving you a video on what we're doing, but we're speaking to you that. But it's not financial advice. We're talking to you like we talk to ourselves, you know. So think about it. Think about it. Look at the market. Look at the trend. Look what I got drawn out here to you. Think about what I got drawn out right here to you. Am I wrong or am I right? Won't this look like this all matches up? This all matches up if this comes back. like that and goes back up. You know what I'm saying? Am I right? That's all I'm asking you. Think about what I'm telling you. You know, we could be over here by the time January 27th, because top of the next bull run is going to be election year when Trump goes out for the next presidential election year. This is when the bull run cycle is going to top out. And well, for Bitcoin, it's probably the following after the election, 29 somewhere, where it'll top out up here in 2029. Also, probably had their blow off top during October, November, December of 2028. Then of 2029, you'll see Bitcoin finally top out. So it'll retrace just like it did right here. Right along here, just like right here, January of 25, we've been in the bear market ever since then. For alts, this is when the alts went topped out. Well, Bitcoin fell back down and went right back and retraced and made an all-time new high. Well, this is October the 10th when the market dropped. Well, October when Bitcoin topped out, it was around 5th or 6th October. This is when Bitcoin went into a bear market. So October of this coming year will be a year for Bitcoin. So somewhere around October, we should see a reversal and start moving back up. Altcoins start pulling back up. Maybe have a little alt season at the end of 2026 this year. So Bitcoin's not dead. If you new to crypto, understand I'm telling you, it's not dead. It's just this every cycle, every 4 years. So don't panic. Don't get upset. Don't sell your Bitcoin, or don't sell it now, because if you bought up here, don't sell it now. You don't want to lose. You don't lose nothing until you sell it. Then you lost it. So, and I see some content creators telling people, well, this is the time to get out, and then you can buy it lower. No, don't do that. Depends on where you bought it. Don't sell nothing. If you don't need the money, don't sell it. Hold it. Just dollar cost averaging. Don't be selling your crypto at a loss. Don't do that. Bitcoin's coming back. It's going to 200,000 or better. By the way, what I'm seeing on the chart here, we are going to $200,000 the next bull run cycle on Bitcoin or better. So, understand what I'm telling you. So, when we pull back to 38,000 around that area, man, I'd be getting safest havens Bitcoin. No guarantee. I'll guarantee on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to rally back to over $200,000. Understand what I'm telling you. Follow me, subscribe to the channel, and I will not lead you the wrong way. Best investment is Bitcoin right now. You're going to come down, though. You're going to come down more, but best investment is Bitcoin. So I'm going to get off here. It's been 19 minutes. I wanted to come and give you an update where Bitcoin's at. Show you that on the charts and let you understand and know that, no, Bitcoin is not dead. It's not dying. It's just going through a bear market cycle. You got bull market cycles and you got bear market cycles. We are in a bear market, so don't panic. Don't get upset. If you was misled by anybody, understand that it happens like that sometimes. Nobody gets the market perfect. But you are in a bear market, and Bitcoin will go lower. And you're sitting on the chart now. So you make the call upon yourself, but Bitcoin is not dead. Want to come and give you an update. So we cover ZBAC, we cover Canton Network, we cover XCN, we do cover time to time XRP. It's going to be good return on XRP. I'm not doubting XRP. Bitcoin sometimes, ICP. We cover right several, but like I say, subscribe to the channel, tell everybody else about us, and let's be a crypto millionaire. So, till the next time, God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.